Alright, hey there guys, so today we're looking at the Olsa Tools 3-piece swivel head ratchet set. They sent this set for me to check out, so let's open up and see what's inside. I haven't opened it, I just took it out of the box they shipped in. You can see it's plastic, so let's go and cut this plastic off here. This out here, and so it comes with a 1/4-inch drive, 3/8-inch drive, and 1/2-inch drive. Head swivels 270 degrees and it has a 4-degree swing arc, 90-tooth mechanism, and it doesn't say much else. Let's open up and see what's inside. Oh, wow. Comes in a very nice tray, actually. Let's pull the tray out and see. I wasn't expecting a nice of a tray. Look at the 3/8 here. Is serviceable, which is very nice. A lot of these swivel head ratchets have a snap ring here that makes them really hard to clean and service. Nice to see that they're serviceable. You can see it's a hard chrome handle, which is nice if that's the type of handle you like. Real fine tooth action here. The advantage to these over a regular flex head, let's check out the 1/4. Oh, that's super smooth. Is you get a different angle on the fastener, and the second is with a flex head that pivots right here. You know, the handle pivots up like this one. Like this guy. Is when you pivot this up and you turn, you're actually pulling the tool off of the fastener. The swivel heads don't do that, because the pivot is in a line. It doesn't pull the socket off the fastener. So that's very smooth. And also has the 3/8 corner, and here's the 1/2-inch swivel head. Same mechanism. These are very nice ratchets. The other advantage, especially with the 1/4-inch, once you break, well, we'll be going this way, break something loose, you can turn these up and use them like a nut driver, which I find very handy. The storage tray is also very nice. It's commonly overlooked by tool tool companies, you know, they'll put all their ratchets in a plastic bag and just send them in the box. Well, that's okay. But this is nice because you can just pick up, set in your toolbox, and you know that where all your tools go. Or if you have an open hole, hey, I'm missing that tool, I need to go find it. So these, I'll show you on the large one here. Nice large pivot, and even a large screw there. You can adjust the stiffness of this head by, focus, turning that, looks like a Torx, yeah. Turning that Torx, if you loosen up, this head becomes looser. If you tighten it up, it becomes tighter. So, very nice. Very, very nice. I'll put a link to this set in the description. And if you want 10% off, you can use my code KE10 to get 10% off any purchase. And this would be a great purchase for anyone, professional or DIY. So, that's the Olsa Tools 90-tooth swivel head ratchet set. I may insert some quick B-roll at the end of this of using the tool. So that's all I got for this video. If you liked the set, check out the link in the description. Use my code to get 10% off. And until next time, thanks for watching.